All right, this is day 3. Day 3 is here. We are getting that much closer to getting this bad boy out onto the road. On today's video, we will be installing the Magura MT5s. All right, day 3, we are installing these. These are the Magura MT5Es, and let's just unbox this real quick. All right, so when you get these, you are provided with the brake lever, the brake caliper, which is a 4-piston brake caliper. Inside here on the bottom, you will find some additional hardware, as well as the installation guide and some swag. Now to give a clean installation, the Spark CycleWorks BANDIT has some cutouts over here. There's one on this side, there's another on this side, there's one on here, and they go in through this cavity all the way to the back. So on the left hand side, I think I'm going with the rear caliper here, and the front on the right hand side of the handlebar. The Magura MT5s, they come pre-assembled. They're good to go out of the box, but what we're gonna have to do is disconnect the hydraulic line to be able to pass it through the holes that I just showed you. All right, so the first thing that we're doing is we're removing the hydraulic line. Cut that, and then that piece you're gonna reuse, right? You don't reuse it? Oh. Why? Because it's already fitted? It can't be reused? So the line will come outside of the swing arm and then back inside through the center of the frame?
Yes, sir.
So this would be a very clean installation, running all the wires to the down tube. All right, so we're good with the slack that you have over here.
Now we could resize it. I always wanted to have a little bit extra long, just in case in the future that we wanna service it, change the olivine barb. First this, follow through with this, and then the banjo, then the barb. Now do it.
So that holds the
cable, the hose, brake hose.
And that does like compression?
Yeah. It's good enough.
And what's this piece called?
It's an olivine barb press for brake. Now, put it in.
So all it is pressed in, and then that seals it? That's it?
Don't over tight this, because this is plastic.
Okay.
This part is plastic.
So you're just going by feel right now, right?
I feel, yeah. That's very important. So you don't want to break a brand new brake.
Now that little dongle that's sticking out, I didn't mention it when I unboxed this, but that dongle
is for your brake sensor or your brake light.
But we won't need it for brake light because I'm gonna use a supernova.
Yeah.
All right, one down, right? All right, so what's next, Arvin? What are we doing?
Now we could mount your brake caliper.
All right, so in a previous video, I'll link it either in the description or up here right now. You will see how we mounted the brake caliper adapter. So right now you do not over tighten this, you just to hold it in place.
Hold it in place.
And then
later
the adjustment will be done once everything is complete, right?
Yeah.
After the brakes are bled and stuff like that. What are they called? 809 jersey?
It's good.
All right, we're taking 5. We're gonna have a little food break. 809 jersey. They are right next door to Powerful Lithium, and they even brought us a little surprise treat for us to taste. I don't know what it's called yet, but I'll find out. They're delicious. V, what did you have and how is it?
I have skirt steak. It's really good, tender and soft. Like it's not like a rubber. It's really good.
All right, Arvin, what did you have and how is it?
I got the caramelized burger.
Mm-hmm.
What's this one?
All right, Mark, what did you have and how is it?
I had the same as Arvin, which is the caramelized burger, which is good.
All right, Reese, what did you have and how was it? I got Cuban sandwich. Czechoslovakia. All right, I got 2-piece fried chicken with the tostones, and it was banging. If you guys are in the neighborhood and want to eat while you're down here at Powerful Lithium, try giving Jersey 809 a call. All right, so what are we doing now?
Now, let's see what's your fitment is on your caliper.
Now that does not look straight.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Now,
So it moves?
yeah. Now we could put this cable guide. Later on, you can adjust how far outside you need to put in.
What's this piece over here? Is this for that? To sit in?
Yeah, you could use this one too if you want.
Oh, okay, that's
Yeah.
cool. And then the zip tie holds it there? Oh,
Yeah.
I actually like that. Yeah, that's cool.
Like that.
Yeah, I like that. If it works, right up to
You
you.
can do it like that. It's just like just a hose cable guide.
Yeah, I like it.
Basically. So once you do that, I added half an inch at least extra.
Now you can cut.
Now you can cut. So just in the future, like I said earlier, you have extra length if you want to redo your older part. So same process as the other one. And untie it. Make sure it's straight.
So it actually ended on the line there? Perfect?
Almost.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Now we can put this one in.
All right, so a little zip tie.
Do it as well.
No. A zip tie was put here just to hold it in place. All right, looks good. Looks really good. All right, she's coming along. All right, so just keep in mind that there is some bleeding that needs to get done. So these are not, they're still loose. All right, so after you adjust your line, you're gonna cut it and you'll notice that there is absolutely nothing here, nothing to grab. So next step will be bleeding, and we'll go over some of the tools that you'll need to bleed your Magura brakes. All right, so some of the parts that you're gonna need are a syringe, the mineral oil that the Magura brakes use, and a cup that's gonna sit over here on top of the handbrake to add the mineral oil in as you're bleeding. So right now you're removing the caliper?
Right now I'm removing the caliper. Remove the caliper. Open there, yes.
All right, so the rear has been bled. Now it's time to bleed the front. All right, so when you're done, you're left with a lot of pressure. You got a good grip over here on both sides. Brakes are installed. I'm out of time. I am out of here. If you guys enjoyed what you saw, don't hesitate and smash that like button. Leave a comment. I get back to everybody. And if you want to, please subscribe. So until the next video, peace out, everybody. Hey, Arvin. What are you working on?
Trying to put this chain on.
Chain. Nice. This is nice. What is this? Is this an RSD, a Malibu edition?